this is Teenage. Um, I'm trading. I'm trading dollar Swiss, which is unusual. I don't trade Swiss pairs. Um, but I found something interesting yesterday night because when I was commenting on someone else's post who was drawing trend lines wrong way, um, and I happened to look at it daily, and I saw a great signal, which this is 1 hour, which you can see the signal worked out really well. The great signal that was a couple of days ago, this candlestick formation. And so this candlestick formation, and because when I moved to a larger time frame and drew line Fibonacci, this pair, excuse me, this pair showed some great movement to the upside. The whole, I do mention dollar Swiss in my analysis, in 22 pairs of analysis. I think it's in the second part of them. The whole pair is in a large consolidation, as you can see. Well, let's just implement the not template, no, yeah, template, apply template, dollar Swiss, okay, there we go. This is a 800 pip range consolidation, very large consolidation on the monthly time frame. Market, oh, my mouse died, not again, come on, live, okay, died again, change batteries. Okay, bounced off of the support level and rallied up to the resistance level and turn around. Now at this stage, as it looks, it's tricky, to be honest with you, because monthly doesn't show any. Monthly's not showing. Oh, that's what I saw. So it was weekly that I saw. Yeah. That's weekly. Yeah, it was weekly. My bad. No. It wasn't weekly. We can do that as well. Market bounced off, traded to the resistance level, pull back, and as it pulled back, the wave here, this wave took out the past high, retraced back and found support at the remarkable, that's not remarkable, it's just a trend line, it's an uptrend line, found support at the uptrend line, which is a weekly trend line, and rallied again and formed a higher high. So this right in here can be a smaller AB wave, and the market pulled back to 618, and its destination is higher than what I'm aiming for. It's 400 pips, and that would be 500 pips. So that is the probability of dollar Swiss. So I went on daily. Oh, gosh, my mouse. It's all battery. So I went to daily. That's my mouse. And that is a weekly AB, and within this AB wave, market always forms smaller waves to get to its destination, and it pulled back at the Fibonacci level of 1.382 and waved back down to 45, which is also a support level. So this is a second reason why I was interested in getting into the market, because it was not only giving it was giving me more than two reasons why I can go into a buy. And so I went into the buy, and now we are 40 pips up. So we'll see what happens, because it's a long way to get to the goal. But if it continues to do what I'm anticipating for the market to do, I'm gonna stay in and keep on inserting more positions. After all, there is at least 250 pips to go before the market retraces back or comes to the B zone, to the top of the B zone. What else I wanted to show was my trading yesterday was all in euros. The reason for that was because euros were weak. Euro was weak, and I think still is weak. I haven't checked, to be honest. Let me see. Yeah, it is the weakest currency at the moment on a 1 hour, and just became weak on daily. So, and that is what I was waiting yesterday. So yeah, as you can see, I got out of this trade with 0, and this is what I was waiting for, the market to drop down. This is 40 pips. So I was in euro pound. Pound is strong, so there is some resistance in pound, and I am in buy in euro pound. Probably a wrong move. I'm trying to get out as with at least as possible. The reason why I'm looking for, why I'm waiting, well, I was waiting. Wrong of me, I'm not waiting anymore. Move, no. Is because here's the support level. It's a very strong support level. It used to be a resistance level, and we just have to wait and see what the market decides to form, and then we can trade it either upwards, which if it forms a bullish, strong bullish decision signal, then you can trade it upwards. If not, it's keep in mind that euro pound is in consolidation, and very large consolidation on a monthly chart. My mouse dying on me. Mouse, come on. There we go. Very large consolidation, and that is 400 pips. So wait. You see, weekly it's a support level. On daily, it's a support level. This is one big consolidation movement, and yeah. So I was in Euro Aussie as well, and as I was estimating a drop, it has dropped from, I think, yesterday night. Dropped lower. I just decided to get out and stay out. I didn't bother analyzing anymore. I focused on my other work, and then went for a walk. So I just chilled, but it's okay. As soon as it pulls back, well, if it forms a lower low, which I think it has or hasn't, no, it hasn't. But when it pulls back, I'll find a new opportunity and trade it downwards. Hopefully soon. It would be a nice thing to trade, or daily. Right, so that's one thing. It's faced with the support level, at the moment, and that's why such a resistance on 1 hour. Time is Tuesday, January 15th, 11:37, just in case anyone wants to check out their charts. GMT plus 1. So that is that. That's a missed opportunity. The best one was 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago. The market dropping, pulling back, forming a bearish signal, and another day of dropping, pulling back, and continues dropping. If you were to take, that's 128 pips, 128 till the first target for the bears is 190 pips. Not bad. Not bad. So I was in Euro Kiwi, which is even better for selling, but also faced with the support level. It's amazing. To me, it's amazing. I enjoyed this game. I love every bit of it now that I understand what I'm doing. So yeah, so market found resistance, dropped, pulled back, dropped further, found support level. Also, markets on a lower time frame was met with resistance level, and then bears continued dropping. So I got 52 pips off here, but obviously I could have taken more by now. That's okay. It's all right. And again, if I was to trade daily, that is 140 pips until the next target is 300 pips. Well, we'll see. What else was I in? I was in Euro Canadian. Yeah, and that punk. I call him names sometimes. That pair was very conflicted, to say the least, with Euro and the Canadian. But today, obviously, it showed a bearish direction. 95 pips if you were to trade this candlestick formation down to, this is 70 first target and 240 is next target. Again, why it's been bouncing off, it's because of the support level. Well, that is that. Yeah, we'll see, because it may go a little lower and then turn around and go higher. The past high is higher than the previous high, so that that is a change of direction in terms of wave movement. Okay, that is all that I wanted to show. At the moment, no drawing, no stuff like that. If you want me to comment, ask, feel free to put your input if you like. I'll keep it short and sweet for now, because I'm going back to do some stuff. Maybe catch another trade or no, or somewhat, or just leave it be. Where was I? This was Euro pound. This was dollar Swiss. Right. So what we can do, if you like, we can draw a trend line. If you're interested in trading dollar Swiss, here's a counter down trend line that I can draw for you, and then you can wait for the opportunity yourself. Okay, I'll be faced with some resistance at this point. But if it finds support on the other side and goes further up, pulls back, finds support. You got a freeway to the highway. Alright, that is that. Take it easy. Thank you. See you soon.